I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a water pump on a 2014 Dodge Avenger. Begin by disconnecting the battery and draining the coolant into a container, then remove the serpentine belt. Label hose and sensor locations to make reassembly simple. Remove the timing cover if needed, loosen bolts, and extract the old pump. Clean surfaces, install the new pump with a new gasket, torque bolts to spec, refill coolant, reconnect battery, and check for leaks. I will walk through the exact tools and parts you need to replace the water pump on this Dodge Avenger. Lay out your socket set, torque wrench, screwdrivers, and a drain pan. Inspect hoses and consider a new thermostat while you are in there to save time later. Buy the proper pump and gasket, and confirm coolant type and ratio. Having everything ready speeds the job and reduces mistakes during reassembly. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. For tidier work and easy part storage, I use leak-proof containers that seal well and stack neatly, making shop cleanup faster and keeping small bolts safe. They are a simple upgrade that saves time between steps. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow these removal steps carefully to avoid damaging components or causing leaks later. First, remove the belt and any obstructing brackets, then drain coolant and detach hoses from the pump. Loosen bolts evenly and remove the old pump, keeping track of bolt lengths and locations. Scrape old gasket material clean and inspect the housing for corrosion. Test fit the new pump and gasket, then prepare for final installation with clean surfaces and proper torque values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.